Hey folks, this is Really Jay showing you how to do the Popcorn Tek in the electronic pressure cooker. This is a no soak method. I'm going to start off with 2 pints of cold popcorn. This pressure cooker tends to rate about 12 pounds per square inch, same as your Instant Pot, roughly. I want to throw in a cup of coffee grounds, spent. And then we're going to add about 2.5 times the amount of popcorn in water. So that'll be about 5 pints of water to toss in there. Alright, time to throw in some soy peptone, about 1.5 teaspoons. This is basically just vegetable protein that is meant to supercharge the mycelial growth throughout the popcorn. It's also really great for all your liquid cultures as well as your various medias. And now we're going to finish this off with a bit of sugar. I got a couple tablespoons of light brown sugar. Alright, from here we will pressure cook this on high for an hour. Remember, this is at 12 pounds per square inch, so you do want to add a little extra time, more than you normally would. With 15, you do about a half hour to 45 minutes. And now it's done, and we will strain and let air dry for a little bit. Alright, now the popcorn has cooled down a bit and has dried off. We're going to put a few on the paper towel, see if there's any leftover moisture. You gotta rub it on there just a little bit and see if there's any wet spots. Just a little bit, but not too much. Also, some of the popcorn has split, but the majority of it has not, so it's just where we want it. Now we're going to load up the pressure cooker and pressure cook this again on low and for another hour. Alright, time of the hour is can. And not many of them are split. Coffee is evenly distributed and nice and sanitized, ready to be used.